Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to center taskbar icons in Windows 10. So we have our taskbar right here, and first we need to go to the search and click hidden. Now you have to make sure that in the toolbars the links are checked and are on the taskbar. Then we have to unlock the entire toolbar so it can be modified. Now we take the links from the right and drag it to the left. And now we take all the icons and we drag it to the center as you possibly can. So we go to turn off the show the text and show title. Now we lock the toolbar and we have our icons in the center. That's it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.